Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at 5 tips and tricks that you may know or not know regarding how to improve your productivity within the macOS ecosystem. And with that being said, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, or if you didn't know the tips and tricks that I'm going to show, or if you have other tips and tricks, let me know below in the comments so I can review them for all the viewers. With that being said, let's start with tip number 1. So for example, in case you are editing a large document, right, instead of navigating with the arrow keys, so let me open here. I have like a demo note document. So instead of navigating right with the up and down, left and right arrows, one way I do it just to speed up time and do more things is by, for example, by holding down the option key. Hold down the option key and click on the left or right key on your keyboard. You will jump from one word to another one, right? So I'm holding down the option key and just clicking on the right keyboard now, on the right key, sorry. So as you can see, it jumps from one word to another one. The same goes as if you hold down the option key and you click up and down, it will jump much quicker through the paragraphs and phrases. Another quick tip regarding this is by holding the command key, and if you do the same, click on the right or left key on your keyboard, it will jump at the beginning of the phrase or at the end of the phrase, depending on what you hit. So if you hit like the left arrow key, it will jump at the beginning of the phrase. The right arrow, it will jump at the end of the phrase. The same goes for up and down. If you hit down, the down key on your keyboard while holding command, it will jump at the end of the file or the text, or at the beginning in case you want to hit the up arrow key. Second thing I want to show you is, for example, if you have multiple windows opened. So let's try and open another one. Right, moving it out. For example, you have like a lot of windows opened. Instead of you going and clicking on the X button for each and every one, what you can do is just go ahead and click the option key and hold down the option key and click the X, and it will close the windows that are from the same let's put it application, right? So in that case, I had multiple Finder windows opened, so I clicked on the X button and holding the option key, and it closed all of them. So that's a nice little trick when you have a cluttered screen with a lot of windows opened. Good. Another tip that I want to show you, for example, if you find yourself looking for a file using Spotlight, in my case I'll search for PDF, right? And you don't want to open, I just want to know, okay, where do I find that file? Where's the location for that? What you want to do is just go ahead and while you have the document highlighted, make sure you click on Command and R key, and it will jump directly to the location of that file. So that's a super neat trick to find your file's location faster, instead of opening and then try to see where that file was. And while I'm at the search option, do you know when you search for something, all right, it finds files on the whole device instead of searching for the current folder. I don't know about you, but that really upsets me, because I want to look for a specific file in a specific folder. I don't want to know at this moment where other files with that name are located in on my Mac computer. So just to work around for this or change the option for this, while you're in Finder, go ahead and click on the Preferences menu, and as you can see here, when performing a search this Mac, I'm gonna change that to search this current folder. Sorry. So now if I go back to for example my documents, desktop, okay, I'm gonna search for the PDF. As you can see, now I have results from the current folder that I'm located in instead of the whole computer. And of course I can click on this Mac as well to get like bigger results, and that's perfectly fine. I'm okay with this, but first I want to search the current folder, and then I can search the rest of the computer. Cool. Now, one other thing that I want to show you, a little trick that I find myself using it a lot, is to change the default applications for opening different files. So for example, in this case, the PDF files are opened by the preview application, but if I want to choose it to another application, let's say Adobe, what I can do is right click on the file with the extension that I want to change and go to open with, right? And I have here other. So let me click on other, right? And it will let me choose the application that I want to open the PDF file. So for example, if I want the PDF files to be open with Safari, I'm gonna click always open with, and then click on the open button right here. So that's how you change the default application for opening files. Hopefully these tips and tricks were very useful for you. If you found it useful or there was some of them that you didn't know, please let me know in the comments. I read all your comments, and I'm taking all the suggestions in consideration for future videos. If you find it useful, please make sure you drop me a like button, subscribe, and talk to you in the next one. Take care. Bye.